In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord crashing or not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. Open Task Manager from the Windows search bar, find Discord, right-click it and select End Task. Next, clear Discord cache files. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata and press Enter. Open the Discord folder, then delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. These are temporary files and will be recreated automatically. If the issue continues, try running Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut, go to Properties, open the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program as an administrator, then apply the changes. You can also enable Disable full-screen optimizations for better stability. If Discord still crashes, reinstall it. Uninstall Discord from Control Panel, then download the latest version from the official Discord website and install it again. After completing these steps, restart your PC and open Discord again. And that's how to fix Discord crashing or not opening on Windows. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.